As the world moves faster, so do commercial fleets. To get better, fleets are getting smarter with data. But when is data too much? Today, fleets are getting overwhelmed and often struggle to put this data to use. Clarience Technologies understands this challenge all too well. It's why we developed Fus1on, the new software platform that's powering RoadReady. Developed by our in-house team of nearly 30 software developers, it's propelling RoadReady further and accelerating the future of fleet management. Here's how. Every telematics solution has two parts. Hardware, like the sensors monitoring current conditions, and the telematics device sending this data to the cloud. And software, bringing together data sources, analyzing the data for insights, and delivering the data and the insights directly to fleets. As more data comes from more places, the future will need more sophisticated software. Powerful platforms with AI/ML capabilities, navigating infinitely more data to quickly find insights, designed intuitively so fleets can easily put this info to work. Fleet managers like Stan and so many others who we had in mind as we developed our Fus1on software platform for RoadReady. Fus1on is a true IoT platform, so it's scalable. It easily integrates APIs and has no limit to the number of fleets or assets it can manage. It's built for the cloud, so it's secure and efficient. It's designed to adapt to change when fleets grow and as the industry evolves. And most importantly, it contains a powerful brain that makes RoadReady smarter, presenting information in ways that work for fleet customers like Stan. Fus1on is built to work with any device, so Stan can harness the power of RoadReady at home, in the office, or on the road. Sometimes Stan needs to get critical issues under control and wants to know what needs his immediate attention. Sometimes he wants to see how his fleet is performing in real time and wants everything on a single pane of glass. Sometimes he wants to understand how his fleet stacks up to competitors and needs a tool that boils down data from thousands of sources across the industry. And sometimes, Stan needs to see all these in a single day. This is why Fus1on was designed: powerful, secure, scalable, and capable to help RoadReady customers use data effectively and without effort. We know that tomorrow's biggest innovations will be driven by software. That's why we are always looking ahead. RoadReady, smarter connected solutions powered by Fus1on from Clarience Technologies. Because data shouldn't make you work. Data should work for you.